Imagine your Bitcoin working for you, earning you more Bitcoin, even while you sleep. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income with Bitcoin. Forget constant trading. We'll explore smart strategies to grow your holdings without the daily grind. First up, Bitcoin lending. This is surprisingly straightforward. Essentially, you lend your Bitcoin to platforms or individuals who need it, and in return, you earn interest. Think of it like earning interest at a bank, but on your crypto. You deposit your Bitcoin into a secure platform, and they handle the lending process, paying you a regular yield. To get started, you'll need to choose a reputable lending platform. Research options that offer competitive interest rates and have strong security measures. After creating an account and verifying your identity, you'll deposit your Bitcoin into their system, typically through your own cryptocurrency wallet. Next, let's talk about staking. Why Euro? Although with Bitcoin, it's a bit different. Bitcoin doesn't directly support proof of stake like some other cryptocurrencies. However, you can still achieve similar results by using centralized platforms or sophisticated DeFi strategies that effectively stake your Bitcoin on your behalf, earning you rewards. This often involves depositing your Bitcoin into a specific savings account or staking pool offered by exchanges or specialized crypto services. These platforms then use your Bitcoin for other operations that generate yield, and they share a portion of those profits with you as interest or rewards. Finally, a more advanced but potentially lucrative method: running a Lightning Network node. The Lightning Network is a second-layer scaling solution for Bitcoin, enabling faster and cheaper transactions. By running your own node, you can facilitate these transactions and earn fees. Setting up a Lightning node requires a bit more technical know-how, but there are user-friendly interfaces available. You'll need a dedicated device, like a Raspberry Pi or a small server, and a stable internet connection. Once operational, you'll be part of the network, helping process payments and earning small, consistent Bitcoin rewards for your service. From lending to staking like opportunities and running a Lightning node, generating passive income with Bitcoin is more accessible than ever. Remember to always do your own research, understand the risks involved, and choose platforms that align with your security and financial goals.